Hey everybody, it's me, the Crazy Girl, and today I'm going to be showing you my puppy. Don't grr. You know what, I'm gonna take these off. Here, let me turn on the light. Is this even plugged in now? Yes. Great.